Alright, so you want to know how I'm editing. Well, I actually use Final Cut Pro, so I already have this project open. This is going to be the 13th vlog of this year. First of all, before I get into any of my projects, I plan. This is my editing process. What I have was what I need to use to upload to Instagram in the highest quality possible. This is my schedule. So asterisk means it's done. If there's no asterisk, it's in the works or being planned. I also have currently in Final Cut Pro. So I have a video that's in the works called The Perks of a Drone. This is the stuff that I've used already. The stuff that's not organized are the stuff that haven't been used yet. So I have 13 and 14 already planned. And then this video obviously will be its own video that you will see. So what I've done with this intro is I've actually taken this, I made this it's about a minute, just to hook that viewer in. 4-minute and 49-second audio. And I cut it down into a minute, which I'll show you how I do as well shortly. The audio pretty much stays the same. And then from this, that paddling, see I have my arm and reveal the incoming wave that I'm about to duck dive. And with this, I use the audio right here and I put an underwater effect on it. Boom. So that's my intro. I'm gonna have it, my idea is for this to cut to black. Boom. I'm gonna start showing you now as I work along. I have about all these guys. I really just quickly skimmed the idea of what I shot that day, but now I need to find an audio. So the thing with editing, and if you don't have top of the notch, I'm working on a 2017 MacBook Pro, 8 gigabytes of RAM, editing 4K footage. It's brutal. It takes forever to render, forever for anything to work. A lot of my time editing is spent TikTok, looking for inspiration, looking for other ideas, We have our audio right here, and I'll let you hear how it sounds. Drop it in, put it on the bottom part right here. And I put it down here. First I just lower all the audio overall because there's yellow right there as you saw. I want to keep that intro. Well, plan ahead what comes after the cooking, and then Santa Monica. So I wanted to transition to Santa Monica. I guess I'll take this portion right here, delete that already because I know I won't need that. Boom, boom. Boom, zoom in real tight, line it up as best you can, boom. Here's a transition from that. Pretty good I'd say. Till the end of this, just a little after, and we'll have a fade. Fire, cackle, Slack, nah, MP3. So that's that. This dies. Let's see what else there's to add. Nothing really much to add for this one except possibly beach kids as well. Delete. Don't want to overuse it, but let's see how it sounds. Comes and goes. Get those adjustment layers going. All these nighttime shots I'm gonna group together. All these drone shots I'm gonna group together. All these go-tos I'm gonna group together. I already have presets. GoPro color, and then I tweak it. Okay, I like that color already. We'll do a darker pop. It's time to color match this guy. This is the Nikon I've created. Alright, it's a little more warm, so actually, let's go easy in the highlights, easy in the midtones, easy in the shadows. Let's go more blue. Okay, more blue in the shadows though. And pretty much, I to create these individual, that was the go-to right here. You literally just save a fetch preset from what you have, and I just renamed it as. I'm gonna export this, and whenever I export for YouTube, I do Apple devices 4K, and then name, I'll just do the best Samo chicken, just so I can remember what this is gonna be about. Format, Apple devices, better quality, maximum, so boom, Seagate, and I'll put it here for now. Save. Thumbnail, good. All I did was add a shape mask to just isolate something to pop out from the clip, and then I also added just something that really attracts attention, which is this purple sunset. Then I put in text just to draw someone in. They see it. What do they see? A sunset and a guy climbing the Santa Monica things I put. All right, that's pretty much a process on how I get all the files I get from shooting, from folders and everything, and how I plan it to the editing room where spread it on the timeline on Final Cut. And what I usually do, vlogs are different than cinematic shorts, and cinematic shorts are different than short films, and short films are different than just an adventure, thrill-seeking video, like just straight surfing or straight hiking. So this was for a vlog, somewhat of a vlog, just a day kind of thing. And now you kind of know what happens behind the screen. So thank you guys. Peace.